Welcome to another episode of the South Yarra BMW How-To series.
Today, Matt and myself will be showing you some useful tips and tricks to get the most out of your BMW.
Grant, I'm constantly worried about curbing my wheels when parallel parking. I find myself manually adjusting the mirror. Is there an easier way to it?
Well, yes there is. Let me show you how. By simply pushing the mirror switch located on the driver's door to the right, the passenger side mirror will automatically tilt down in reverse, so you don't curb those shiny wheels.
That's genius. Another question, is there a quicker way to start the navigation home?
Yes there is. The favourite buttons on your centre dash can be used to save a location. Simply search for the address and save it to your desired number by pressing and holding the button until you hear the tone. Now when you need to go home, just press the button and the navigation starts. And if you forgot which button you saved it to, simply touching the numbers will display the button assignment on the top edge of the screen. I have to point out that you can also assign radio stations, contacts and shortcuts in the iDrive menu.
That's fantastic. So far, this is my favourite tip. Grant, help. Could you please open the boot for me?
Sure can. Let me show you a cool trick. Have you got the key on you?
I do.
You can open it using the kick function. So make sure you're standing directly in the middle of the boot and kick your foot in and out to open the tailgate.
That's pretty cool.
You can also kick it to close too.
Grant, what would I do without you?
You're welcome. If you have any questions about the features in your BMW, please give us a call or drop us an email.
The Genius team are here to make sure you get the most out of your ultimate driving machine.
Safe motoring from the team here at South Yarra BMW.